The benefit of beginning the learning process early in a child's life is gaining more attention. In Winona, a group of child education advocates, the Birth to Grade 3 Committee, are working to make sure children in our community have the best learning resources available so they can enter school ready to learn.
When you talk about what helps prepare a child for school, many times you start to think about, well, do they know their numbers? Do they know their letters? You know, the biggest factor that's really important is to have very strong social emotional skills when children enter school. And those skills come from relationships that they have early on with their parents, with their caregivers, with siblings. That's a really important piece. I have to say, I think that our area is very fortunate. We have a wide variety of early childhood programs, not only through the school district, but both through charter schools, faith-based programs. And we, probably I think in 2011, the district kind of took the initiative to start a Birth to Grade 3 committee, as we talked about earlier. And the role or intent of that committee is to ensure that all children entering kindergarten in our district, regardless if they're going to the public schools, the Catholic schools, the Lutheran schools, charter schools, they're all ready to go because they are all of our children, and our entire community will benefit if kids are ready to go. So the Birth to Grade 3 Committee is made up of representatives from the public schools, Catholic schools, Lutheran schools, charter, but also faith-based preschools, faith-based child care centers. So there's probably a membership list of close to 20 or 25 people. And we meet quarterly, and we have subcommittees. And our goal is to really support early childhood programs, but also to help facilitate kind of the alignment between what's happening in early childhood programs and what's happening when they enter the primary grades at kindergarten. So a couple of things that we've worked on is we have 4 subcommittees. One is curriculum and assessment. That's working to align early childhood curriculum with kindergarten curriculum, but also taking a look at assessments that are being used. We have a professional development committee, and that's designed to work with providers of either preschool or child care to increase their knowledge and familiarity with school readiness kinds of skills. Our primary emphasis in that group has been home child care providers, because the majority of our children in our area are in home child care settings. So we have worked in cooperation with Winona State. They have an early learning development center and a resource room for home child care providers. And we have set up events to bring forward their providers, and there's usually an opportunity for networking and then an educational component.
The Transition Committee, which is a subcommittee of the Birth to Grade 3 Committee, has the goal of making a child's move from a daycare setting to a school setting more comfortable. Shields said that the process is now being made easier through a form piloted by the Winona State Children's Center, SEMCAC Head Start, and Community Kids Preschool through the Winona School District. The form contains information about a child that helps teachers better prepare for their new students.
So for example, if your daughter was in her last year of preschool at Winona State and was going to be entering school, let's say in the public schools, the Winona State preschool teacher would fill out this transition form and, with your permission, get it to the kindergarten teacher. So that kindergarten teacher would know exactly how your daughter liked to learn, what she was interested in, how she was, different skill levels she was in. And it isn't an assessment saying, you know, this is how Emily is when she's coming in. It's more about, this is how Emily likes to learn. It's because usually what happens is kindergarten teachers really don't know those children coming in. So same thing, if it were my child and he was going to WACS Educare system, the preschool teacher at WACS would have that transition form and could give it to the kindergarten teacher at WACS. My child had been in Head Start and was going into a charter school. That information could be, certainly it's with the parent's permission to be able to forward on that information. Well, we piloted it, and kindergarten teachers found it very helpful. One thing I really want to stress is it is not vehicle to be used to be labeling kids, like, oh, I know so-and-so's coming in, they're going to be doing this way. It's really more to introduce the child to the teacher so the school is ready for the child. That's the other important piece. Certainly important for children to be ready for school, but the school needs to be ready for that child. We are finding now that home child care providers are very interested in using something very similar because many of them have preschool components in their homes. So that's something that we are working to revise so they can use it and give it to a parent and the parent can pass it on to the school.